Let's count down the top 5 reasons why you're not getting views on your LinkedIn profile. I review hundreds of LinkedIn profiles a month, and I've reviewed thousands of LinkedIn profiles throughout my career. So I'm going to share the most common mistakes I see people make with their LinkedIn profiles that's giving them low views and visibility. The number one reason is going to shock you. My name is Dodd. Welcome back to my channel where we talk all things LinkedIn, marketing, business, and career success. Click that subscribe button and make sure that you hit the bell to be notified whenever I drop a new video. I don't want you to miss a beat. Number 5 is your LinkedIn profile is set to private. This is a really simple setting that I see sometimes people just have their profile set to private. If your profile is private, it means only those people that are connected with you can see your full profile. So if you want more LinkedIn views, you have to turn your profile public. Let's go through the settings to make sure that it's public and make sure that your headshot or profile picture is visible as well. Sometimes people don't know they have this turned off, so nobody's seeing their profile picture, which again is going to limit the views and visibility of your profile. Let's see how to fix this. So we are inside of our LinkedIn profile. Let's make sure that our profile is set to public on the visibility side. So you're going to click me in the top right, go down to settings and privacy. Once in here, you can scroll down to visibility, go to edit your public profile, and on the right-hand side are the settings that we want to review to ensure that our profile is set to public. So if this is off, turn that on. That is going to set your profile to public so that anybody can see your profile picture, headshot, and information. This is really important. Oftentimes I see people have their profile picture set to only first-degree connections. This means that people that are not connected to you yet will not see your profile picture. Remember, people are less likely to connect with you when they don't know who's on the other side of the screen. So make sure that you have the profile picture set to public so that all LinkedIn members on and off LinkedIn can be visible. You can choose to show what you want to make public versus what you don't. That is entirely up to you. I recommend to have as many things on as possible. I'm not even sure why I don't have those 2 things on. I need to, so there we go. Just by doing this, I saw that those 2 things were not set to active, but now they are. And so as many of these as you can have open, set to public view, the more profile views you are going to get. Number 4 is you are not actively growing your connections. Simply put, the more people you are connected to, the more people see your profile and your posts, and the more visible you become. More connections equals more views. If I'm connected to just 50 people versus if I'm connected to 5,000 people will definitely affect the visibility and the views on my profile. So the action I want you to take here is be actively growing your connection requests every single week. Actively send people new connection requests to expand your network and actively accept those connection requests that people have sent to you. If you are not yet at 500 connections, or you want some new ideas on how to expand your network on LinkedIn, I want you to watch this video next where I show you exactly how to do it. The number 3 reason you have low profile views is because you haven't taken the time to optimize your profile. If you have a low quality headshot, your profile doesn't have a banner, you had incomplete profile information, or your headline is not filled out, your profile is simply less likely to get views. Always remember, branding is everything. As humans, we're attracted to those things that look nice, whether it's a spruced up LinkedIn profile or a nice Ferrari. So what essential aspects of your profile do you have to ensure are optimized to increase your views? Well, as I mentioned, your profile picture, your headshot. This is the first thing people see before they enter your full profile. When you comment on a post or your profile is suggested in the feed, people will see your profile picture. If you want to attract people to clicking on your profile picture and entering your full profile, you have to make sure you have a great headshot. Here are a few other things to make sure to optimize on your profile. Make sure you have a headline that is clear, that tells people a little bit more about you and that sells yourself. Add a banner. This is the image that sits behind your headshot and it adds an extra layer of personality to your profile. Fill out the about section of your profile where you can tell people more about you, career experience, your business. All of these things help to boost your profile. Your experience section, your skills, and education. Although not required, these are great areas of your profile to fill out so that you have a complete profile from top to bottom. One of my favorite sections to fill out on my profile is the featured section. In the featured section, you can add things like links, blogs, websites, even posts that you made on LinkedIn that you want to showcase. Adding extra media, graphics, or even posts in this section definitely helps to spruce up your LinkedIn profile. Have you taken the time to optimize your LinkedIn profile? Let me know in the comments below. Number 2 reason you are getting low LinkedIn profile views is you have not SEO'd your profile. Here's the thing, ladies and gents. Everything on LinkedIn is searchable by keywords, whether it's in your headline, your about section, your education, job titles, skills, experience. People are actively searching on the platform. So if you want your profile to show up when people search for those keywords and thus increase your views, you have to make sure that you have relevant keywords inside of your profile. I like to say you don't just want any views. You want the right views. So make sure that you optimize your profile with your ultimate goal in mind. If you want more leads for your business, do you have specific keywords that people are searching for as it relates to your business? For example, career coach. Identify the keywords you want to be found for and make sure that they are embedded throughout your profile. You want to have these in places like your headline, your about section, experience, and skills. Ask yourself, what do I want to be found for? And then optimize your profile around those keywords. And the number 1 reason by far that you are not getting profile views on LinkedIn is lack of activity. You simply are not engaging enough on the platform. You simply have a profile that just sits there idle and does nothing. If you want more profile views, engage more on the platform. Here are some simple tips on how to start. LinkedIn hit 1 billion users, and it is quickly becoming a creator platform. That means it rewards those profiles and accounts that post content and that engage with content the most. The more engaged you are on the platform, the more your profile views will go up. So here are some ways you can boost your activity on the LinkedIn platform. Post unique content, sharing things like career achievement, industry insight, conferences or events that you're attending, even a challenge that you faced and how you overcame it. The second way is to reply to other people's posts by adding value or sharing a unique perspective. This keeps a conversation going and allows you to position yourself as a thought leader for that topic. The third way is when you post something, respond to every comment that comes through. I see people sometimes on the platform, they'll post something, people are responding, and they just like the comment. If you want to boost your visibility and your views, actively respond to every single comment that somebody makes on your posts. I want you to watch this video next where I walk you through the ultimate LinkedIn content creation guide so that you can get a head start on your LinkedIn content creation journey. And there you have it. Those are the LinkedIn mistakes you want to avoid in order to get more profile views. Are you making any of these mistakes right now? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious to know. I want you to take one extra step and connect with me on LinkedIn. Tell me that you found me through this video. I'm excited to connect there. This is Cindy Dodd. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.